Hey everyone, and welcome to TestingToys.com. Today we will be reviewing the Zero Gravity Laser Racer from Air Hogs. It takes 6 AA batteries and it is a wall climber. It's able to drive on the ground, on walls, and even on the roof. So the actual car casing is made out of like a foamy plastic, and then on the bottom it actually has 2 rubber wheels. So you would actually put the batteries in here, and to charge the car you would flick this open, you would pull out this cable and plug it into the back of the car. So just before we test the Zero Gravity Laser Racer, be sure to like and subscribe to TestingToys.com to see more cool, awesome videos like this. Oh yo! Are you charged yet?
Dun dun.
Okay, cut.